welcome back to the channel, and we're going to run through a quick bedtime practice. This is very useful for anyone that may suffer with sciatica. So you might need your strap and you might need a block. If you don't have either, use a strap off your dressing gown or use a thick book. We'll all meet lying down on our backs. So we will keep our feet connected to the mat. We'll bring our feet out about the width of the mat and let the knees fall together. Just place one hand on the tummy and one hand on the heart. Relax your shoulders, your upper arms and your elbows down onto the mat. And breathe in through our nose. Relax that upper back and relax the lower back. Good job, and we'll extend both legs down the mat. We're going to lift the right foot up, bend the right knee in towards the body, bring the hands around the front of that right knee and just interlace the fingers and gently squeeze it in towards the body. Deep breaths, relaxing the lower back and relaxing the shoulders. Getting a nice gentle stretch into the lower back. And release the hands. Bring the sole of the right foot down to the mat. And just keep the sole of the right foot connected to the mat as you shimmy it in towards the left thigh. When it's nice and close and you can feel that ankle touch into the side of the inner left thigh, drop that right knee down. Let your whole body on the right side completely relax and into the left. You can keep your hand on that right hip, or if you prefer, you can bring your arms out into a cactus and let them relax down. So you're coming into a reclined tree pose, lying down. Well done, and just gently coming out of that one, lift the arms, bring the knee back up, extend the right leg down. Lift the left foot up, bend the left knee in towards the body, bring the hands around the front of that left knee, interlace the fingers, gently hug that left knee in closer to the tummy. Take a nice deep breaths. and release. Bring the sole of the left foot down to the mat and just shimmy it in closer towards that inner right thigh, and then just gently let the left knee fall down all the way down towards the ground. Again, you can open the arms into that cactus position. Nice deep breaths. Good job, and release out of that one. Bring the knee up, release the arms, extend both legs, and one by one bend each knee. So you're just shaking the legs out nice and gently. Good job. And if you can, just make your way up. And we're going to come into a tabletop position. Just gently moving through some of our cats and cows next. Inhale, dip the tummy down, lift the gaze forward. Exhale to round. Inhale, dip the tummy down, lift the gaze forward. Exhale, round the upper back, tuck the chin in. Do a few more at your own pace. Bring your spine back into nice neutral position. We're going to move in through some of our thread the needle. Bring the right arm out to the side. Inhale, sweep it up, open up into the heart. And exhale, sweep it down, thread it through underneath to the left side. Bring your right ear down to the mat. You can extend the left arm up to the top if this is comfortable. And slide that left hand back in front of the face. Use that hand to lift the body up. Doing the same thing on the opposite side. Extend the left arm out. Inhale, sweep it all the way up, open into the heart. Exhale, sweep it down, thread it through to the right side. And again, you can extend that right arm to the top of the mat. Nice deep breaths. Slide that right hand down in front of the face. Use that hand to push your body up. We're going to bring the big toes to touch. Bring the knees out a wee bit wider and sit back on top of the heels. Extend the arms and forehead comes down, coming into our wide-legged balasana. Good job. Lift the head up, slide the hands towards the body, lift the bum up, and just bring the knees back into that tabletop position. You can cross the legs behind and just gently lean back so you're sitting down on your bum, and then extend the legs forward. So we're going to lie all the way back, coming back to lie down onto your back. Bring the soles of the feet to the mat, tuck the heels nice and close in towards the bum, and turn the feet so the soles of the feet are connected. Let the knees naturally fall to the sides. Again, you can relax the arms down the sides of the body if you wish, or you can place one hand on the tummy, one hand on the heart. Let the shoulders, the upper arms and the elbows relax down onto the mat. Be mindful that you're relaxing your shoulders and upper back, softening the face, relaxing the face, relaxing the lower back. And just notice if you're tensing up any areas in your lower body, let everything completely relax. You can stay in this position for as long as you need. I am going to make my way up. I hope that you benefit from this practice. If you enjoy this video, then please give it a thumbs up. And if you feel like you want to give some feedback or suggestions for the next video, then please leave me a comment in the comment section. And again, if you enjoy the content on the channel in general, then please subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on future videos. Thank you for practicing with me. I'll see you in the next one.